ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ NCF 2005. What is the key thread? What is begins with quotation? What is NCF? Let me know now one by one. Learning without burden is a key thread of NCF 2005. It is according to 1993. Begins with quotation. It is taken from Tagore's essay, that is Civilization and Process. Then what is NCF 2005? It is key document in the field of education. This is main important thing what we have to learn importantly. Then later on NCF 2005, it is classified into different. First let us know chairman and manufacturer, director, principals. Then who is the chairman? That is Yashpal. Then who is the manufacturer? NCERT. Director, profession Krishan Kumar. There are total number of principals are 5. Let me go one by one. Knowledge should be linked to outside. It means not only by one side. We must go one by one. It means we must not only be four walls of the room. We must also see outside also. Then we can learn many things outside also. Next point is ensuring that learning shifts away from rote methods. We are teaching the curriculum so that it goes beyond textbooks. We must create curriculum so that we may get back to we can learn more things except the textbooks. Making examinations make more flexible and integrating them with classroom life so that we can so that it will be some flexible and it will be some of classroom life. Except that we can even learn from classroom also. What I said before, four walls of the room. Then next point, important points should be included in the syllabus. Even we include more number of important points, not silly things, not the results. Include main important points to that. National Curriculum Framework NCF has been translated into 22 languages and influenced by total number of states is 17. So we must remember this 22 languages as well as 17 states. That what is the full form of NCF? Council of Educational Research and Training. It is the full form of NCERT. Let us again aim of NCF 2005. Development of children. It means it should be not only 4 children or 5 children. It must be of all round development of children. Every children must be included in this. Connecting children with education outside school education. We must, as I already said you that we must connect the children to outside also by playing things or else children with other children so that they will improve some skills about other children. So we must connect the children too. Approach of NCERT towards math is such that math should be related to real life and work in real life. Yes, if we wake up morning, today mathematics is very essential and important in our life because if we get up, we'll first watch the clock. If it is 6:30, okay, let up, wake up, it's already too late. Or else we'll tell that yes, oh, it's just 6, okay, we'll sleep off, still we'll wait 5 minutes, we'll say. So in that way, we can make with real life mathematics. What is approach to the teacher? It is related to teacher. Is such that teacher is not the source of knowledge. It is not, teacher is, for teacher we can't tell that it is a source of knowledge. Just it is a part of knowledge, so which we can share our knowledge. But teacher is not total knowledge she contains. We must know that we learn not the source of knowledge, but the teacher only facilitates who will simplify things and tell. According to this, what we can tell is teacher only facilitates how to learn, then which are the easy methods to learn the children. These only we can facilitate for the children, not we can give to the children because every children is not equal. So there will be a lot of difference comparing to. So we must first realize about teachers' mind, students' mindset. So it is a main thing what teachers should do in the class. Then let us go on. That is, document is divided into 5 areas. As I already said that this is a principle which contains there are 5. One is perspective area. That is also called as guiding principle. Next one is learning. We can learn curriculum areas where these areas learns is in school stages and assessment. Will give assignments, everything. No, there here it is used. School and classroom environment. Classroom environment. Last one is systemic reforms. Here this includes teachers.